Right, so children, let us continue with last week's work. So last week, right, we were focusing on angles. And I told you that angles is a must-score topic. All right, angles is a must-score topic. And not only did we talk about something called overlapping angles, we also talk about the folding of the paper. Right, folding of the papers, yes. The folding of papers got some tricks, one I told you, right? Draw back the paper and also to put in the 90 degrees, and eventually you can put in your other angles also. All right, let's go and look at two questions from last week, question 9 and 10, which we didn't manage to finish. All right, today's topic is again easy. Area and perimeter, and also a little bit of circles. Introducing you what is the area of circles and all this ready. Will we have Kahoot? Yes, we will be having Kahoot. This week we'll be having Kahoot. All right. All right, I think we have some new student. Is it Rishita? Rishita, are you there? Oh, that's you. Hello.
Introduce themselves.
Oh, never mind lah. Don't waste time. All right, they want to introduce themselves to me, Ken, not to you all. Get to know you for what? Get to know me. All right. We have Rinza also. Rinzan, Zan, very Zan. Yeah, sorry. All right, and who else? Let me see.
Me.
You're not new.
I'm the newest.
Oh my goodness.
I came the 1 second.
Oh, okay. If you put it that way, okay, can. All right, so tentatively, we have two new students. I think there are more coming in. Okay, all right, come. Student, let's take a look at question number 9 first. Let's take a look at question number 9 first.
Eventually.
Oh, that's very good. Okay, so Ben, just to let you know, my name is Ben, not Ben. All right, so down here, short of the R. All right, that's my name. All right, so Ben has a white rectangular card, which is gray on the other side. Yeah, no color, forget it. Don't worry about it too much. And I say about this type of question, what did I say? All right, I told you to kind of draw back, right? Draw back. All right, this type of question where they talk about folding, right? I told you to draw back. So down here, right, you draw back. Draw back meaning what? Look here, look here. You draw back with a dotted line, like that. All right, and a pencil. And this portion you draw down again. Can you see what's happening? All right, in a way you can see the before folding the image. Then I told you to go and find the 90 degrees. I did. All right, every time this type of question, right, about what? About folding paper, always do the drawback. All right, means that if you take this part, right, and you fold backwards down here, all right, how will it look like? Can? So I use a dotted line to draw the original shape that it looks like. Then I always put in my 90 degrees. This one very useful. Look. This is the purple 90. This purple 90 you flip, it actually appears here. Bring in your 90 first. It's very useful, trust me. Once you have your 90, right, you can bring in the other angles, which means that this angle C, right, angle green, is actually from here. Can you see not? Means that they are the same. Which also means that this angle red down here, it comes from where? It comes from here. Can you see not? Beautiful. Follow the color. I haven't read the question yet, my goodness. Come. What is angle A? Oh, down here, angle A is over here. No problem. Can you see that this is like a straight line? All right, so this whole thing must add up to what? 180 degrees, right? So simply 180 degrees minus 108, that will give you a 72 degrees. Okay, this part is 72. Easy. This is called angles on a straight line. You don't have to know the reasoning. All right, it's just good to know. You don't have to write the reasoning, but it's just good to know. Angles on a straight line. Yes, Brian, I saw your answer is correct. 72 is correct. Good job. Caitlin, I saw your answer. So all three are correct. Beautiful. Hey, continue. Where's angle B? Where's angle B? Angle B is down here. Hey, what do you see? What do you see? What do you see? I see a right angle down here. Can you see not?
I see you.
I see a right angle down here. Can you see not? All right. Recently, my son keep on playing this cartoon. It's not a cartoon. It's educational movie on television. It goes like this. What do you see? What do you see? I see an airplane. There is an airplane. Good job. Then they go on to the next thing. What do you see? It's like teaching the kids what is airplane, what is train, and all this lah. All right, to y'all, it's very boring already. I know. All right, I rather y'all see me. What do you see? I see Mr. Ang. Okay, anyway, sorry. So down here, can you see or not? It's a 90 degrees. It's the corner of the rectangular piece of paper. And these two are the same. Okay, but it's not going to help me. It's not going to help me. Don't worry. Don't worry. Look on top here. This corner of the paper is also 90, what? Correct. Yes. Down here is 90. Down here is 72. Can you find angle B? You can. So all the angles in the triangle add up to 180 degrees, minus away your 90, minus away your 72. And that will give you 18 degrees. Woo! This is 18. And do you know, with this 18, you can go and find the angle rate, which is needed. How do you find angle rate? Because they are the same size. This one and this one are the same size. You can take 90 degrees because the corner is 90, minus the 18, and you, hiya means divide by 2. All right, you can divide by 2 because it's a folding paper. All right, this red angle belongs to the same red angle. It comes from it, right? It comes from the unfold one. So you can divide by 2, answer is 36 degrees. So this angle rate down here is 36. Hey, sure, go and find angle rate for what? Because the question eventually asks you to find angle C, which is over here. No problem. That's the reason why I love math. Everything balanced up so nicely. Can you see that this is a triangle again? It must add up to 180 degrees, right? So 180 degrees minus the 90 degrees at the corner, minus your 36 degree. And drum roll, please. Answer will be 54 degrees. Cannot, children? Super easy, my goodness. Brian said that. Remy is also. Remy love what? My song. Okay, can next time I sing song for you, okay? Coco Melon, oh yeah. I don't allow my son to watch Coco Melon. Right, I think it's a bit too fast. So sometimes, right, some of the cartoons are very fast, you know. It's like, wow, after a while, then it changed to something, it changed to other things. So they keep changing. Wow, so it makes your brain think too fast. Yeah, so I want him to slow down a little bit. Students in Singapore like very stressed like that. Everything fast. Yeah, so I want him to be slow down a bit. Because sometimes, right, when he do things very fast, right, he becomes very impatient. Right, because everything want to be fast, right? Right, so you see the cartoon, wow, they bathe also very fast. Right, so when he want to bathe, he also want to bathe fast, you know? So not very good lah. Right, so we're trying to slow him down a bit. Let him learn something called patience. Can? Yeah, anyway. Okay, so question number 9, remember folding paper, number 1, unfold it back first. Draw the original one with dotted lines like this. And number 2, what you do? Put in the 90 degrees, and after that, you put in the other angles. Very easy to see. Very easy to see. All right, this was the question from last week. We never finished because last week I was talking to you a lot again, right? As usual. All right, and look at question 10. Look at question 10. The same thing, question 10. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am. How come got Mrs. Ong's voice comes out? So scary. Yeah. Okay, come on. Here. Can you see now? Can you see? Can you see it's folding paper? Can you see it's folding paper? What you do? Unfold it back. So you down here purposely draw it back. Unfold it back. Down here you unfold it back. All right, you unfold it back. Okay, and down here is the corner. You see, you purposely unfold it back. That is step number 1. Number 2, put in your 90 degrees. So this 90 purple, right? This 90 purple, if you fold it right, it will appear here. Can you see not? That's important. That's important. All right. And how about the green 90? The green 90 down here, right? If you fold it right, it will appear here. Can you see not? Can you see not? Which means that the rest can follow. Which means that this angle A down here, it actually comes from here. Can you see? All right. Then how about this angle blue here? This angle blue? Angle blue comes from here, lor. Nice. All right. I can even go and find angle A already. All right. They ask you to find angle A. Can you see that red and red is the same? All right. Angle A comes from the folded part, what? So you can say that 180 degrees minus, how come 180? Because angle on a straight line is 180. 180 minus 26 degrees. That will give you these two, right? That will give you these two. Then you hiya, right in the center. I think I'm going to learn taekwondo or something like that. Hiya! Sorry. Right, so 180 minus 26 divided by 2. That will give you a 77 degrees. Can you see or not? So once you got a 77, right, oh, the rest of the information is easy already. How to find angle B? Oh yeah, how to find angle B? Angle B a bit like out of nowhere. All right, but okay, never mind. All right, we have to think of sometimes, right, if you don't know what to find, right, children, my advice to you, sometimes if you don't know how to find B, right, just go and anyhow find lah. Seriously. Because there are things that you have, like for example, the blue. Can you go and find the blue one? Yes, I can. Just go and find something first. Just go and do it. All right. Sometimes in life we have to do such things. Can? So can I go and find the blue? How does it help? I don't know. I don't know. I just go and find for fun. All right. I just go and find for fun. Can? How to find the blue? Can you see that this portion is actually a what? Parallel to here because it's rectangle, right? Right. And these two angles are looking at each other. A, see what see? The angle said. Hey, sorry, don't go and tell people see what see. Hey. Don't go and what lah. Later you get into fight. All right. So the two angles, they are looking at each other. All right. They were having electricity in their eyes. So when they add up together, right, they must be equal to 180. Remember this? This is called interior angles. Remember? In between the parallel lines, the two angles that's facing each other, having electricity in their eyes. All right. They add up to 180 degrees. So I purposely go and find angle blue first. 180 degrees minus the 77 degrees. Just for fun. I don't know whether I need it or not. I don't know. But why do you find? Because I can. All right. And now you know, right? Mathematics is like that one. Sometimes you just got to find lah. Find. Just find for fun. Okay. If you got down there, right, angle blue is 103, right? Can you see that down here is a straight line? Can you see that down here is a straight line? All right. So can I go and find this little angle red first? Yeah, I got red shaded already. Cannot use red. All right. Can I go and find little green shaded down here? Can you see? Because it's on a straight line. So little green shaded is equal to what? 180 degrees minus the 103. Which will give you a 180 minus 103, which will give you a 77 degrees again. The same Okay, can. So this little thing is 77 angle green is 77 Okay? Can you see something already, children? Can you see something? I told you something like this before. I told you that any four-sided shape must add up to 360 degrees. I don't care. For example, this is also a four-sided shape. Look, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Do you know that this is a four-sided shape? This is a four-sided shape, which means that the angles inside here, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4 must add up to 360. Any four-sided shape. Oh, somebody learned taekwondo. My goodness. Scary. All right. Long time ago, I didn't have the chance to learn all this. Right. Last time I was very timid, man. In school, I was very timid. Yeah, so I don't dare to like get to know people and get too friendly and all this. Right. So that last time I was like that. Okay, come. So children, focus on this color, this red color box down here. Can you see or not? Four-sided. Can you focus on here? This is a four-sided. Very useful. Right. So the four-sided will look something like that, like that. Like that. Like that. And like that. Can you see? Right. So this is angle A, which is 77 degrees already. This is a purple 90. This is the angle B that we are looking for. And this little corner we found is what? Is 77 degrees also. Coincidentally. All right. Then we can go and find our answer. 360 degrees minus 90 minus 77 minus 77. And your answer will be equal to